The throttle cable is critical for the proper functioning of a motorcycle. If it doesn't work properly, you may face issues like raise in RPM when the motorcycle is ignited or excess free play in the throttle grip. Follow these few steps to adjust the throttle cable correctly. Check your motorcycle toolkit for an 8 mm open-end spanner. That is all you will need. First, inspect the throttle play by rotating the grip from the parting line. Then, slide the protective cover gently. Now, loosen the lock nut slightly with the help of the 8 mm open-end spanner. Slide back the protective cover. Now, check your throttle play again at the parting line. It should be in the range of 2 to 3 mm. It is advised not to touch or adjust the nut at the other end. It is all done now. Keep riding.